I lost 30 pounds. I no longer suffer from anxiety, panic attacks, digestive problems, daily headaches. I can't make claims, but what if you didn't have to be sick? What if there's something out there that can help you? You just don't know what it is yet. This is just raw plant-based nutrition, but when you put this kind of nutrition in your body, amazing things happen. So I'm going to let Ron talk a little bit about his experience now.
For us, this last year, the quality of life improvement, especially for my wife after her stroke, it was just unbelievable, the transformation that I've seen in Jill. For myself, I had severe acid reflux that I nearly went to the doctor and says, okay, what are we going to do here? But about that time, Jill had, her friend had shared this information with her, and I just started taking it along with Jill, and within days, weeks, I was like, hey, where's my acid reflux? And I thought it was a coincidence, and I just kept taking the products. And after a couple months, I was convinced, okay, there's something to this. And of course, my energy level went up. Trips to the bathroom were much friendlier. It's a nice way of putting it. So, and there's a lot of little things that has improved my quality of life, but just having Jill being back the way she was when I met her, when she was a teenager, is just so awesome for us and our family and our kids. So
we feel like we found the fountain of youth, and we just want to share it with everybody else. So you guys, the information is free. The financial side has been pretty awesome too, but maybe you're not interested in that, and that's fine. But when we get paid just for sharing information, and every time those paychecks come in, we know someone's life has been improved. So you guys, there's something else out there you don't know about. Don't prejudge this. You just never know how this can help you. We just want to help as many people as we can. We want people to feel as good as we do, have the energy that we have, and pay this blessing forward.